Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. I'm so excited, if you can't tell by all the packages surrounding me. We are doing another small business haul slash unboxing. If you don't know, this is actually the second one of these videos that I'm doing. So I'll leave my first one linked down below if you want to check that out and see a bunch of other small businesses. I've tried to find a bunch of new ones to share with you all, and I'm super excited to show you. Pretty much all of the things that I'm showing you today are gifts for my friends and my family and the people that I love. So in saying that, anyone who is a part of my family, my parents, my siblings, I'm talking to you, or if you are a friend of mine, probably don't watch this video because it might ruin a surprise for you, and I don't want to do that. It'll be more fun if it's a surprise for you. As per usual, I will leave all of these businesses linked down below in the description. I wish I could purchase from every small business out there. Obviously I can't do that, but if you have any other small businesses that you would recommend to others, leave the name of the business or the link down below because I'm sure it would help a lot of people out who may have some gift shopping to do. But without further ado, let's get into the packages. I'll start off with the smaller pile over here, I think. I'll start off with this one because I accidentally kind of opened it. I haven't opened this box, but I opened the actual package, the postal parcel that it was in. This is from Sonder and Wick, which is a candle company. I saw a friend of mine mention them on Instagram, so I decided to check them out, and they have some really beautiful candles and some really great bundles as well. If you want to do either a split gift or just a little bundle as a gift, I think this would be absolutely perfect. I haven't looked at them yet though, so we will see. I don't want to break this because I might use this box to gift these. There we go. One of my favorite parts about small businesses is the packaging. It's always done so well. Of course, this will be linked down below. I can already smell it. It smells so good. I ordered 2 candles and they are wrapped so beautifully. This is the problem about this being a gift guide, is I want to gift these, so I don't want to wreck the packaging that they're in because they're wrapped so beautifully. They smell so good. And also, how fun is pink bubble wrap? I love. This is the first one. It's a little bubble candle that is absolutely stunning. And I also got this little body shaped one. She has so many other colors and shapes and styles and things, so definitely check her out. And I think this is such an awesome gift idea. Next package. This is one that I'm really excited about. I think this is the perfect gift for the person that I'm giving this to. Hi Rachel, thank you so much for your order. I really hope you enjoy your new mugs. Please leave us a review when you can. It really helps. Have a lovely day, from Grace. So this store is called By Grace & Co. I think she sells a bunch of different things, not just what I'm about to show you. Oh my gosh, they're so beautifully wrapped. Again, how am I gonna wrap this again afterwards? I think I just found this small business on Etsy. Oh my gosh, this was wrapped so well, which is great because these are breakable items. Oh my gosh! It's a little glass mug, but it's got a little fiddle leaf decal kind of thing on it, little design. And this is the second one that I got to go with it. So it's the exact same thing, but just with a different design on it. So this one's got Monstera leaves on it. Aren't they just the most beautiful little set of mugs? So minimal and classy. Love those. Moving on to the next one. I think this is another one that I just found randomly on Etsy. Not gonna lie, I ordered this one a while ago and it's not as useful, at least anymore. It was going to be very useful when I ordered it. But this is from Chixie Boutique. Is that how you say it? I'll leave it linked down below, of course. But it is this beautiful face mask, but it's embroidered. And you could choose what color your face mask was and the design that went on it. And I just thought this was so beautiful. So I got this forest green one with this beautiful flower design on the side there. In Queensland, our mask mandate has been lifted now. So like I said, this isn't as useful as it would have been earlier. However, who knows if we might have to wear masks in future, I don't know. They're definitely always a handy thing to have. Next one is from Tiny Nest, which is a small business that was recommended to me by you guys when I asked for recommendations. Most of the brands that I purchased from are recommendations by you guys. Always feel free to send recommendations through to me on my Instagram or leave them as a comment on my videos. I can't open this, here we go. Because I feel like I'm always purchasing from new small businesses. Again, wrapped really beautifully. I'm so excited about this. This is another gift, so it's not for me. Kind of wish it was, but I think it will really match the aesthetic of the person's house that I'm giving it to. So Tiny Nest has a bunch of home decor, home items, really great gift ideas, honestly. This is the thing that I picked up. So it's a little stack of wicker coasters, basically. So it comes in a little, I don't know what you'd call this, almost like a container that can sit on your dining table or coffee table, and then a stack of 6 little wicker coasters. Aren't those so beautiful? Oh my gosh, I love them. And I think the person that I'm giving them to will love them as well. Isn't that so stunning? I think that's such a beautiful gift idea. Next we have this one, which was actually a total surprise. I don't know what this is. In my last small business haul, I talked about this brand called With Miss T. I bought a lanyard from her and I love it. And I have another package from her, which I did not order, so I think it must be a gift from her that she just sent to my PO box, which is so sweet. Oh my goodness! It's a lanyard, but it has a little R detail on it. That is so cute. It has polka dots on it. Hi Rachel, I just wanted to say a massive thank you for sharing my small brand in your YouTube video. My heart melted when I clicked on your video and saw my fabric lanyard pop up. I've added one of our new lanyards into this package to say thank you. This is a Spotty Daydream lanyard. I hope it helps you with the apartment life struggles. Love, Amy. Thank you so much, Amy. That was so sweet. If you didn't see my last video, I was just talking about how easy lanyards make your life when you live in an apartment and you're constantly walking up and down like stairs or using the elevator or something. Sometimes you just don't have enough hands. I have a few friends that make fun of me because it looks like I'm a teacher or something, or like a staff member, but I genuinely use my lanyard every day, multiple times a day. So this is so handy. And if you're not part of the lanyard club, you're missing out. Moving on to our last few packages. This is probably the one I'm most excited about. This is from Gabsies, which is one of my favorite small businesses ever. She sells a lot of different accessories, claw clips, scrunchies, jewelry, really beautiful jewelry actually. Just a bunch of perfect gifts. So she actually sent me this package. I have no idea what's in it. She saw that I was doing this video and she's like, can I send you some stuff? And I was like, I would love that. And she's also given me a discount code to share with you guys. So I'll put that on the screen. So you can use that if you want to make any purchases for gifts or for yourself. And I love being able to support her. I've been able to make some really great relationships with some of the small business owners that I've talked to and ordered from. And that is such a cool thing because obviously you don't really get to do that with a normal purchase from a normal larger business. So it's been really cool to make some new friends and relationships and things. I'm so excited. It feels like Christmas. I guess this is a gift guide. Oh my gosh, packing peanuts everywhere. Hi Rachel, thank you so much for your support through this crazy year. I really appreciate it. Because we have a bunch of little packages in here, which is so cute. Oh my gosh. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, so Gabby put together some little bundles that I can share with you guys, which I think is such an awesome idea. Because if you're stuck on gift ideas, she's got it covered. So the first little set that she's included are some little mini claw clips, which are both so beautiful. Both this like sagey green color, which is so trendy right now and I absolutely love. I think sage green is stunning. And also this microfiber makeup headband. So obviously this is a headband for when you're doing your makeup. I use these literally every time I do my makeup. I have a couple and I think they're the best. They're also really good for when you're doing your skincare at the end of the day. If you just need to get your hair out of your face, especially if you have shorter pieces at the front like me. So when you put your hair back in a ponytail, it doesn't actually get all of your hair back. You can put this on, all of your hair is out of your face. It also doesn't matter if it gets wet or anything like that. And this color is super cute and the perfect little pairing with these little claw clips. And she also included this little bauble with a little scrunchie in it. So this could either go with these little items because it kind of matches the color scheme, because it's got a little green gingham scrunchie, or maybe you could add this to a little Secret Santa or something. If you have kids that give teachers gifts, I think this would be such a perfect idea because it's something small but it's still really cute. Also, I just have to say, gift wrapping, so cute. And if you're not filming this kind of video, you don't have to open these and you could literally just give this straight to the person that you're giving it to. You don't even have to wrap it yourself because she does it for you, which is absolutely amazing. Stop. Are you joking? Look at this little set. Again, literally perfect gift idea. The color of this is absolutely beautiful. So it's a little comb, which you could definitely just like chuck in your handbag and then you always have a comb on hand, and a little claw clip. That is stunning. Am I gonna keep this for myself? I might have to. Again, if you have a little Secret Santa or something, this would be perfect. If you have a lady or a girl in your life and you don't know what to get them, such a practical but really cute idea. Beautiful. This is a stunning freshwater pearl necklace. Real freshwater pearls. That is gorgeous. I've been loving pearl necklaces lately. I just think they make every outfit look so classy and put together. And then we have one more little package here. And on the little card here it says, this bracelet was custom made for you and features freshwater pearls. If you didn't know, Gabsies does do custom pieces as well. Oh no! Little R on it? Are you joking? Oh my gosh. Yep, she's on already. And another little really beautiful colorful piece as well, featuring some more freshwater pearls. That is beautiful. I'm literally obsessed. So the colorful one is also genuine freshwater pearls with beads. That is such a beautiful gift idea, I think. When I filmed my other gift guide, which I will also link down below, that doesn't just feature small businesses, features just like a bunch of random ideas. To get ideas for that video, I asked you on Instagram what your favorite gift you have ever received is. And the amount of people that came back and said personalized something, whether it was personalized jewelry, personalized makeup case, personalized robe, whatever it was, so many people said something personalized with their name or their initial or whatever. And so I think doing a little bracelet with an initial or with their name or a nickname or something like that is such a beautiful idea and is so personalized. And I think it's very hard not to feel special when someone gets something personalized for you. I want to put this bracelet on right now. I'm always so bad at putting on bracelets. Got it. Also, that bracelet is adjustable, so if you have smaller or larger wrists, it will be beautiful. That's the package from Gabsies. Moving on to the last couple. These ones were actually sent to me, but when I opened both of these, I was like, I need to include these in my gift guide because they're such awesome ideas. So the first one is from The Clay Co, which my friend Jessie actually runs, and it's a DIY pottery kit, and I think this is such a fun Christmas gift idea. It comes with the clay and a whole bag of tools. So 2 bags of clay and a whole bunch of tools, and obviously you can make whatever you want. So this could be a perfect like gift for your partner because it can become a bit of a date night kind of thing. So much stuff in here. We have little letters so you can personalize your pottery, a rolling pin. There's literally so many things in this bag. So many tools. But yeah, I just think this is such a great idea for anyone crafty in your life. Could be for your mum, for your sister, for your cousin, for your best friend. I feel like so many people would really enjoy that. And the last one that I have is called Petal and May. I can't remember if I showed this in a vlog or not. I think I might have. But she sent this to me and I thought it was, again, such a perfect gift idea. Dried florals have been so popular lately. So she actually sent me one of her DIY dried floral display kits. So it comes with a little like block with the like foam that you actually like stick the dried florals into, and then she just sends you a bunch of dried florals that you can arrange for yourself. She does also sell pre-arranged little bouquets and things that you can, you know, purchase. You don't have to put them together yourself. But again, if you have someone who's crafty or creative in your life, I think this is such a lovely idea because they kind of get to personalize it to look exactly how they want it to look, and I think that's so beautiful. And the other thing that she gifted me were these 2 little baubles. So one says Rachel and one says Liam. So Liam got his own, which I think is so cute. This one has like pinks and neutrals and creamy colors, and this one's just like a white, and this is going to match our Christmas tree theme so well because I'm doing just like lots of whites and neutrals and things. Probably not pinks. Don't know if Liam would love that, but this can be the little pop of pink, you know? He can't argue with this. Again, personalized gifts are just so special, and I think anyone would really love these. Especially if you have a friend in your life who maybe just had a baby. I feel like a little ornament with the baby's name on it could be so cute. Or if you have a friend who just got married or who just like moved in together and they're spending their first Christmas together, or even your partner who you now live with or something like that, get a little bauble with your names on it. I think that would be such a cute little like first Christmas sentimental gift, you know? Okay, I think we are done here. I have created an absolutely huge mess in my office, but I have had so much fun filming this. Like I mentioned at the start, please feel free to continue to send me your recommendations for other small Australian businesses. I love to support as many as I can. All of the businesses that I mentioned today will be linked down below, and I might also try and link some others that I really love down below, but maybe I just didn't purchase this time around, because if you're looking for gift ideas, I have so many small businesses that I really love. And I think that if you can shop small this Christmas, it is such an amazing thing to do. Knowing that your money is going straight into another person's pocket and not some huge corporation is a really special thing. And I know it's not always possible, and I know it may not be possible to shop every single gift from small businesses, but I think if you have the opportunity, if you have the finances, if you have the time, it is such a great thing to do. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next video very soon. Goodbye. Now I have to clean up this mess. Let me show you what my floor looks like right now. Oh my goodness.